Cabbage has beneficial nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, etc. Enough of rambling. Let's get the ingredients needed for cabbage sabzi. 1 small size cabbage, frozen peas half cup, sliced potatoes, chopped onion and green chilies. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon. Whole garam masala, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, clove. 5 foron, 1 teaspoon, salt and oil. Give 3 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil in pan and shallow fry the sliced potatoes. Fry it in medium flame. Potatoes are done. Now take it out. Now shallow fry the green peas also. Actually, shallow fry of vegetables increase the food taste. Give some oil. Add whole spices. Now add 5 foron. If you don't have 5 foron, you can use whole cumin. Allow to crackle. Add chopped onion. Fry it until brown. Do not give spices powder directly on the pan. Mix all the spices powder with water. Soak it for 30 seconds or 2-3 minutes is enough for that. Mix it well. Look, onion turns brown. Now add the spices mixture and stir it well. Now add the chopped green chilies and fried potatoes. Mix it well. Now add the cabbage. Cook it in medium to low flame. Mix it well and cover it. Keep watching for not getting burnt and stir it well. Now add the green peas. Mix it together. Add salt according to taste. Add garam masala powder and let it cook for 3 minutes. Look, cabbage sabzi is done. Now it is ready to be served. Try this recipe at home. Please consider like, share and subscribe.